A great example of the collaboration and best practice sharing is the adoption of the Lynx visual inspection system, pioneered by our St. Nazaire and Prestwick teams.
The Lynx is a visual aid tool that primarily uses a camera and a light to compare golden images to every part that goes through.
The Lynx camera system is basically our vision aid that helps us determine if we have parts missing, if we have parts backwards, if we have the wrong fasteners in, the wrong rivets in. It will help find that for us.
In the seal bay area on the 737 program, we use the Lynx camera system to compare images across 5 cameras run off of 1 computer, and that will show us information on 600 pictures, and we can compare 1,600 different features all within 1 hour.
So what we're getting out of it is a reduction in escapes and a reduction in defects just by using this tool.
It helps us tremendously because it helps us find mistakes the naked eye would normally not find. And it gives us a better part to give off to the customer as well.
By locating defects quickly, we are realizing true cost savings by reducing rework costs, and most important, we are reducing the impact to our customer.